Ethereum network is still struggling with the issue of expensive gas fees, despite the recent updates by the team that the gas fee is dropping.
Probably the most notable is the recent Bored Ape NFT sale that raised the Ethereum gas fee to $3,300. For any transaction that was requested on the Ethereum network when Bored Ape NFTs were being sold, even a $25 transaction would cost $3,300 as the gas fee. This was a ridiculous amount of gas fee. It makes Ethereum one of the most expensive networks. According to crypto experts, a high Ethereum gas fee is due to an overwhelmed network. The traffic on the chain increased rapidly to a demand that is way above the Ethereum chain capacity. Network scaling is still a big issue. Immediately the traffic on the Ethereum network increases, the gas fee rises. In case the traffic is so high, like during the Bored Ape NFT sale, then the Ethereum gas fee can rise astronomically. With the Ethereum chain scalability still being a big issue, the expensive gas fee issue will still remain a big challenge. According to crypto experts, the Ethereum gas fee might rise 500% in the next 2 years. This is due to the growing number of projects and products on the Ethereum chain. This means high TPS demand, which will make the Ethereum network overwhelmed. This is despite the Ethereum Serenity upgrades. This is how the gas fee on the Ethereum network will skyrocket 5 times in the next 2 years. But there is good news for the Ethereum users because BITGERT network is here to help them avoid the expensive gas fee. BITGERT blockchain enables Ethereum users to migrate and enjoy cheaper and faster blockchain. The BITGERT BRC20 blockchain is an Ethereum-compatible chain that enables users and developers on Ethereum to migrate. Ethereum developers can easily migrate their projects to the BRC20 blockchain. BITGERT is building a powerful blockchain ecosystem that has a range of products spanning from NFT and Web3 to DeFi. BITGERT blockchain is the most disruptive of the BITGERT products released so far. BITGERT blockchain is EVM compatible, which enables Ethereum projects to run on its chain. With zero gas fee and the fastest chain, BITGERT will be the ideal blockchain for projects running away from the expensive Ethereum gas fee. In conclusion, the Ethereum gas fee might increase 500% in the next 2 years, but BITGERT will be the best blockchain for projects to migrate to. Therefore, Ethereum users will still have a zero gas fee alternative in BITGERT to migrate to.